This is Kibera, Kenya, known around the world as the world's biggest slum, a place where rooftops stretch like metal scales across Nairobi, where narrow paths work like veins, where thousands of lives move through pressure most people will never understand. And even though the title is debated, the reality is not. Kibera is one of the most intense urban survival systems on Earth. Before Nairobi became one of Africa's most important cities, one neighborhood began growing in the shadow of power. Today, it is known around the world as Kibera. To millions of people online, it carries one brutal title: the world's biggest slum. But the deeper story is not just about size. It is about pressure, it is about survival, and it is about what happens when a city grows faster than the systems built to support it. Kibera sits in Nairobi, Kenya, only a short distance from highways, offices, government buildings, and some of the wealthiest neighborhoods in the country. From above, it looks like a dense field of rusted rooftops. But under the X-ray, Kibera becomes something different. It becomes a living machine. The first layer is shelter. Homes are packed tightly together, built from metal sheets, wood, mud, stone, and whatever materials people can afford. The second layer is movement. There are no clean city grids here. There are alleys, footpaths, shortcuts, markets, bridges, and human traffic moving like blood through a stressed body. The third layer is water. In a formal city, water arrives through hidden pipes. In Kibera, water can become a daily mission. Families depend on shared access points, vendors, and fragile informal networks. The fourth layer is sanitation. This is where the pressure becomes dangerous. When a city does not have enough drainage, toilets, waste systems, and clean infrastructure, the environment itself starts fighting the people who live inside it. But this is where most videos get Kibera wrong. They only show poverty. They only show the shock. They miss the intelligence. Because Kibera is not empty. It is not helpless. It is full of schools, churches, mosques, food stalls, repair shops, barbers, tailors, youth groups, artists, organizers, families, and businesses. It is not just a settlement, it is an economy. It is a survival network. It is a human operating system built under extreme compression. Every narrow walkway has a purpose. Every small shop is part of a chain. Every water point is a lifeline. Every family is navigating a system that most formal cities would collapse under. That is what makes Kibera a true melt-your-mind 2.0 subject. Because the melter is not just the size. The melter is the contradiction. A place can be neglected and still be alive. A place can be underbuilt and still be organized. A place can be called a slum by the outside world, while the people inside it are building structure every single day. Kibera is also a warning. The future of Earth is urban. More people are moving into cities. More cities are expanding faster than their infrastructure. And when governments fail to build housing, sanitation, clean water, roads, and opportunity fast enough, places like Kibera appear. Not because people choose hardship, but because cities keep growing without making room for the people who power them. So yes, the world calls Kibera one of the biggest slums on Earth. But that title is only the surface. The real question is deeper. What does Kibera reveal about the future of cities? Because a city is not measured only by its skyline, it is measured by what happens beneath it. And Kibera is the X-ray. Subscribe for more real-world systems under the Melt Your Mind 2.0 microscope.